Little joys we keep, folded in our hands, small but bright and deep, more than any plans. Little joys we keep, threaded through the day. If the hours slip, they will light the way. Bench beside the river, notebook on your knee, a breeze that turns the pages like it knows the melody. You laugh at something tiny, I mark the line in ink. How kindness makes a chorus every time we blink. If clouds drift over, if the map looks wide, we can count the blessings walking side by side. You say keep it gentle, let the music lead. I hold that simple sentence like a little seed. Little joys